Hi, we learn 10th class logarithms, that is in chapter real numbers 1.5 exercise, complete concepts in logarithms. First we see the definition of logarithms. The logarithm with base of a positive number x denoted by log x base a is defined by log x base a equal to k if and only if x equal to a power k. Here a is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. In simple, we see the definition y equal to log x base b is equivalent to b power y equal to x. Here f of x equal to log x base b is the logarithmic function with base b. Now we see the basic concepts of the logarithms. Logarithmic form, exponent form are two sides of the same coin. Every logarithm form can be written in the exponential form and vice versa. Now let us explain clearly the what is logarithm. Logarithm అంటే ఏంది, సమర్గమానం అంటే ఏంది ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. n ఈక్వల్ టు a power x అనే దాన్ని తీసుకుందాం. We apply logarithmic form for this notation and x equal to log n base a. So exponent becomes value and n is for log and a base a, here also logarithmic base a. Now n equal to a power x, it is the exponential form, ఘాతాంక రూపం, exponential form, and this is a logarithmic form. n ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఒక ఘాతాంక రూపం. మరి దీని ప్రతి ఘాతాంక రూపాన్ని మనం సమర్గమాన రూపంలో రాయగలం. సో ఈ మాదిరిగా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాం. Let us see n equal to 36. Now 36 can be write as 6 square. Now apply logarithm log n base 6 equal to 2. So it's simple question, you may practice some more. log n base 2 కాబట్టి n is equal 36 ని మనం n equal to 6 స్క్వేర్గా రాసుకున్నాం. దానికి లాగర్థం అప్లై చేస్తే log n base 6 ఈక్వల్ టు 2. మరి కొన్ని నోట్స్ గమనికలు చూద్దాం. లాగర్థమిక్ వాల్యూ when it is increases and when it is decreases can be, it is confirmed by the exponential increase or decrease. So first point, 2 power x increases if x increases. So value of x increases, then only 2 power x increases. అంటే x విలువ పెరిగే కొద్దీ 2 power x విలువ పెరుగుద్ది. నెక్స్ట్ 1/2 fractional type, 1/2 power x decreases if x decreases. x వాల్యూ డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యే కొంది 1/2 x వాల్యూ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, తగ్గుతుంది. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మేనర్, అదేవిధంగా మనం లాగ్ ఎక్స్ కూడా మనం ఎప్పుడు పెరుగుతుంది, వెన్ ఇట్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ ఆర్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిక్రీజెస్. లెట్ us see log x base a is increasing function if a is greater than 1. ఒకటి కన్నా పెద్ద అయినప్పుడు log x base a అనేది పెరుగుతుంది, వాల్యూ పెరుగుతుంది. ఒకటి కన్నా ఎంత పెద్దదైతే ఆ విధంగా దాని వాల్యూ అంత పెరుగుతుంది. a is greater than 1. In the same manner, log x base a is a decreasing function when a is less than 1. సో ఒకటి కన్నా చిన్నదైనప్పుడు log x బేస్ ఏ వాల్యూ తగ్గుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఎంత ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంత తగ్గే కొంది log x బేస్ ఏ వాల్యూ కూడా అంతే తగ్గుతుంది. సో ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ బేస్. సో బేస్ ఆఫ్ ది లాగరిథం ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ when the logarithmic value increases or decreases. Now some applications of the logarithms. లాగరిథం యొక్క ఉపయోగాలు. మరి లాగరిథమ్స్ wherever we use and whenever use, let us see. So in our daily life it is used for the calculation of engineering. In engineering and in science, business and in economics. So it is vastly used in ఇంజనీరింగ్ శాస్త్రంలో, అలాగే సైన్స్లో, సామాన్య శాస్త్రంలో, అలాగే బిజినెస్ వ్యాపార రీత్యా అండ్ ఎకనామిక్స్లో కూడా దీన్ని విరివిగా ఉపయోగిస్తారు. We see some examples here how to convert an exponential form into the logarithmic form. First I take 2 power 5 equal to 32. We know 2 power 5 equal to 32. 2 power 5 అంటే 32. మరి దీన్ని లాగరిథం అప్లై చేస్తే, సో when I apply logarithm, log 32 base 2 equal to 5. Very simple. If you practice, it is very easy to form logarithmic form. So if 3 square is 9, you apply log 9 base 3 equal to 2. Again 2 square equal to 4. When I apply logarithm, it become log 4 base 2 equal to 2. So in this way I have given some problems here. You apply logarithm and find the exponential form. Now go to types of logarithms. Logarithms యొక్క రకాలు. Logarithms are two types. They are common logarithms or Briggs logarithms. Another type is natural logarithms or Napier logarithms. So we use common logarithms in general in our studies. In higher studies like engineering etc., we use natural logarithms or Napier logarithms. What is the main difference between common logarithms and natural logarithms? In common logarithms we use base 10. So common logarithms, natural logarithms. Common logarithms can be named as Briggs logarithms. Here main difference, common logarithms base is 10. Natural logarithms base is E. ABCD E. So natural logarithms, another name Napier logarithms. Here base is 10. Here base is E. Now some examples see. For common logarithms, take log 5 base 10, log 8 base 10, etc. log 5 base 10 log 8 base 10 8 base 10 etc. are the common logarithms. Natural logarithms or Napier logarithms are based with e. Example log 5 base e, same log 8 base e, etc. These are Napier logarithms, Napier సమవర్గమానాలు. మరి ఇవి కామన్ సాధారణ సమవర్గమానాలు బ్రిగ్స్ లాగర్థమ్స్. సో బ్రిగ్స్ వర్సెస్ నేపియర్, ఓన్లీ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ బేస్. ఇఫ్ బేస్ 10 that is common logarithms and base e it is Napier logarithms. Now see the laws of logarithms. So these are very important in this complete chapter. If you know well the logarithm properties or laws, you can easily solve any problem relating logarithms. మరి ఈ యొక్క లాగర్థం యొక్క న్యాయాలు వస్తే, ధర్మాలు కానీ మనకు వస్తే, మనం ఈ సమర్గమానాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి సమస్యలు మనం చాలా ఈజీగా చేయగలం. లెట్ us see ఫస్ట్ వన్, log x base a log xy base a ఈక్వల్ టు log x base a ప్లస్ log y base a. దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ రూల్. మరి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ వచ్చింది. ఒకసారి గమనించండి, log xy base a log x base a plus log y base a. So this is called product rule. So first one, multiplication is there, in expansion it becomes plus. Now see one example. If I take log 35 base 10, 35 can be split into 7 5s are 7 5s are log 10 base 10. Now 35 can be changed into log 7 5s are base 10. Now 7 into 5, x into y. So log x plus log y. Here also log 7 plus log 5, log 7 plus log 5. So in this way we use this product rule. This product rule, ఈ లబ్ధ న్యాయాన్ని మనం ఈ విధంగా ఉపయోగిస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ we go to second formula, second law of logarithms. It is a quotient rule. Log x by y base 10 ఈక్వల్ టు log x మైనస్ log y. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్ టైప్ ఉంటే, భిన్న రూపంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మైనస్ వస్తుంది. మరి ఇందనక మనకి ఇంటూ ఉంటే ప్లస్ వచ్చింది మధ్యలో, ఇక్కడ మనకి బై ఉన్నప్పుడు మైనస్ వచ్చింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ quotient rule. When the fraction type, it become subtraction type. Log x base 10 minus log y base 10. So this is called quotient rule. We can write one more example also for this. Log 23 by 4 23 by 4 base 10 equal to log 23 base 10 minus log 4 base 10. So in this way quotient rule can be applied for the logarithmic terms. Now we go to third formula, third law of logarithms. It is a power rule. log x power p base a, log x power p base a. So it can be split into p into log x base a. So the exponent can be bring forth. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఘాతాంకాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకొస్తాం, మరి దీన్ని పవర్ రూల్ అంటాం. సో ఫర్ ఎనీ ఎక్స్పోనెంటల్ ఫామ్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ కెన్ టేకన్ టు ఫ్రంట్. సో log x power p base a equal to p into log x base a. Check log 25. Log 25 can be written as log 5 square. So exponent take front. So 2 log 5 base 10. So in this way power rule can be understand. Next, fourth one, change of base rule. Change of base rule. Log x base a equal to log x base b or any base. Log a base b. Log a base b. So in the RHS side, base changed. So this is called change of base rule. Change of base rule. భూమిని మార్చే న్యాయం. మరి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దామా ఇక్కడ. log 5 base 2 base 2. So it can be written log 5 base 10 and log 2 base 10. So here base changed to 10. So in this way we can change the base also. Next, fifth law, it is equality rule. Log x base a equal to log y base a. So here both bases are equal, that's why x equal to y. This is called equality rule. So this equality rule is a important one. Then we do sixth law, that is log 1 base a. Log 1 base a equal to 0. That means 1 equal to log, when there is a 1, that is equal to 0. So for any number, any base, log 1 equal to 0. Seventh one, log a base a equal to 1. So base and logarithm both are equal, then the value becomes 1. So log a base a equal to 1, log 1 base a equal to 0. Now eighth one, log b power k base b equal to k log b base b. So both are equal, it becomes k into 1, it equal to k. So here we used power rule. Ninth one, b power log k base b equal to, it is also equal to k. And the last one, log a power m base b power n. So it can be written m by n log a base b. So this is also very important formula, last one. Both exponents bring forth one by one. Now see formulas once again, important formulas. and list out these formulas in your notebook also. Now we go to exercise. Determine the following. Find the value of the following. ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాటి విలువలు కనుక్కోండి. సమస్యల యొక్క విలువలు, లాగరిథమిక్ ఫార్మ్స్ యొక్క విలువలు కనుక్కోవడం. సో we apply formulas or laws. First one, log 5 base 25. Let it be x. Let it be x. Log 5 base 25 equal to x. Now we remove logarithm. That means we know a power x log a base b equal to x, then b power x equal to a. b power x equal to a. So in this way, here 20 power x, 20 power 25 power x equal to 5. Now 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 square, right? 5 square whole power x equal to 5. 5 power 2x equal to 5 power 1. Now bases are equal. Therefore exponents are also equal. Now go to another problem. Log 1 by 16 base 2. So this also be taken as a, let log 1 by 16 base 2 equal to y or any letter. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి లాగరిథమిక్ ఫామ్ని వైగా లేదా ఏదైనా అక్షరంగా తీసుకోవాలి. Now when you remove logarithm, it become 2 power y equal to 1 by 16. 16 can be split into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 power 4. 2 power 4. So you know 1 by 2 power 4, when it goes న్యూమరేటర్ లవంగా మారినప్పుడు అది మైనస్ అవుతుంది, మైనస్ 2 power 4 అవుతుంది, 2 power minus 4 అవుతుంది. మరి బేస్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి y ఈక్వల్ టు -4 తీసుకున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీ గో టు థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. లెట్ log root x base x. ఇక్కడ కూడా దీన్ని log root x base x అని ఏమనుకుంటాం, c ఏదో ఒకటి. సో లెట్ ఇట్ బి c. Now remove logarithm. X power c equal to root x. Root x can be written as x power half. Root a means a power half. Root a means a power half. In the same manner, root x equal to x power half. Now c, when bases are equal, exponents are also equal. C equal to half. Now log 0.01 base 10 equal to, how can you change this one? You know 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. 1 by 100 equal to 0.01. 1 by 100 equal to 0.01. Now when you remove logarithm, it become 10 power m equal to 0.001. 0.01. Now 10 power m equal to 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 square. When it will take numerator 10 power minus 2. So 10 power m equal to 10 power minus 2. Base are equal, therefore m equal to minus 2. Another one, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So let log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equal to e అనుకుందాం. Then remove logarithm, it become 2 by 3 power e equal to కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 whole cube అయింది. మరి e equal to base are equal, therefore e equal to 3. So you got answer, that means value of the given logarithmic form. Now we solve here problems. We combine here log 2 plus log 5, write as log n form. So it is log 2 into 5. Log a plus log b equal to log ab. First formula, product rule. So it become log 2 into 5, log 10. 2 5s are 10. We used here formula log a plus log b equal to log ab. So log a plus log b equal to log ab. Thus I got log 10. Second one, log 16 minus log 2. It is second rule, log 16 by 2. That means log 8. So we used which formula? Second formula, log a minus log b equal to log a by b. So in this way we see third one, 3 log 4 base 64. So it can be cube. So in power rule, from power rule we can one by 3 log 4 base 4. 3 3 cancel. That's value 1. Log 4 base 4. Log and base both are equal. So answer is 1. Here we used which formula? Last formula, last law, చివరి న్యాయాన్ని ఇక్కడ వాడాం. log a power m base a power n equal to m by n log a base a. Now we go to another problem. Log 243 plus log 1. So log a plus log b, it become log ab. Log 243 ones are 243. But you know log 1 equal to 0. log 1 equal to 0. For any base is 0. Now log 243 plus log 1 equal to log 243 plus 0. So it is equal to log 243. So in these are two methods. You can choose any method for this problem. Next, fifth problem. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So first two are plus, third one minus. So first one write as usual. Second one 2 is there, make it exponent log 3 square minus log 2. Log 10 into 3 square by 2. So minus is there, that's why by. So log 90 by 2, that means log 45. We used here log x minus log y equal to log x by y. Log x by y. Now see the problems we have performed here. Now we go to third Roman. Evaluate in terms of x and y. Evaluate in terms of x and y. If log 3 base 2 equal to x and y equal to log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2. Now see first problem. Log 15 base 2. 15 can be split into 5 into 3. Log of 5 3s are 15 base 2. So it can be written log AB, log A plus log B. Log A, log 5 plus log 3. Log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Log 5 base 2 means y. Y. Substitute values. Log 5 base 2 equal to y. Log 3 base 2 equal to x. So y plus x or x plus y. Both are equal, x plus y. Next we go to second problem. Log 7.5 base 2. Log 7.5 base 2 equal to 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. 75 by 10. So one decimal is there. So by 10. 75 by 10. So it can be written as log 15 by 2. On cancellation you get 15 by 2. Now log A by B equal to log A minus log B. So log 15 minus log 2. 15 can be split into 5 into 3. Log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Both are equal, base and logarithm. So it is equal. Log 5 3 can be split into log 5 plus log 3 minus 1. So log 5 base 2 equal to y. Log 3 base 2 equal to x minus 1. So on rearranging the answer, x plus y minus 1 is the answer. Now expand the following. Expand the following. So first one equal to log 1000 log 1000 ఒక వెయ్యి. So it can be written as 10 cube. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. 1000 ని మనం 10 cube గా రాయగలం. So it can bring forth 3 log 10. 3 log 10. So we have written on expanding and simple form. Second one, log 128 by 625. So log 128 minus log 625. So 128 can be written as 2 power 7 and 625 can be written as pi power 4. So exponent bring forth. So 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. So answer is that one. We have expanded like that. Third one, log x square y cube z power 4. Log x square y cube into z power 4. So 3 terms. It is like log ab, log a plus log b. Here also log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. So we apply that formula, then it becomes log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. So apply log a power m log a, that 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Now fifth problem, that is if x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Solution. We know that a plus b whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to x plus y whole square. So this is a important formula in algebra. So x square plus y square equal to 25xy, it is given. మనకి ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ 25xy అని ఇచ్చారు, దాన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను. సో ఆన్ యాడింగ్ 25xy ప్లస్ 2xy it becomes 27xy. 27xy equal to x plus y whole square. Now taking log on both sides, take log on both sides. So it become log 27xy equal to log x plus y whole square. You know log ab equal to log a plus log b. So it becomes split into log 27 plus log x plus log y, and log a whole square 2 log a. So exponent bring forth. Now again log 27, it becomes 3 cube. So log x plus log y equal to 2 log x plus y. So log a power m log a. So 3 log 3. So log x plus log y equal to 2 log x plus y. So thus we have solved this problem, a very important one. You practice. Now see, for next problem, if log x plus y by 3 equal to half into log x plus log y, then find x by y plus y by x. So given log x plus log y by 3 equal to half log x plus y. Now apply log x plus y by 3 equal to log xy of log xy. X plus log y becomes log xy. Now xy of goes to root xy or xy power of. So it can be written as a root xy whole power of or root xy, both are equal. So you can write log root xy. Log x plus y by 3 equal to log root xy. So here both log cancel, then you get x plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Now cross multiplication, x plus y equal to three into root xy, squaring on both sides. X plus y equal to 3 root xy whole square, 9xy. Now expanding x plus y whole square, it becomes x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. So x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy, it becomes 7xy. So each term divide with xy. Now x square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7x by xy cancel, xx cancel, y cancel. So you get the answer x by y plus y by x equal to 7. So that is the answer. Now complete view of the answer. Next we go to another problem. If 2.3 whole power x equal to 0.23 whole power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So this is also very important and easy one. Let us see. Given 2.3 whole power x equal to 0.23 whole power y equal to 1000. 1000 means 10 cube. 10 cube. Now we take 2 times the value of 10 cube. So 2.3 whole power x equal to 10 cube and 0.23 whole power y equal to 10 cube. Now 2.3 equal to 10 power 3 by x. So exponent goes that side, it becomes denominator. So 0.23 equal to 10 power 3 by y. Now both should be make equal. So 2.3, if you divide 2.3 with 10, what will it become? It will also become 0.23. So divide with 10. 2.3 by 10. So it becomes 0.23. So when you divide both terms, it becomes 0.23. Here also 10 divide. 10 power 3x by 10. 10 power 3 by x by 10 by 10. Now it become 10 power 3 by x minus 1. 10 power 3 by x minus 1. Now both LHS are equal. Now take both RHS also equal. So take from 1 and 2. Ten power 3 by x minus 1 equal to 10 power 3 by y. So both bases are equal. So 3 by x minus 1 equal to 3 by y. Both bases are equal. So therefore exponents are also equal. Now we take LCM. 3 minus x equal to 3 by y. Now cross multiplication or write separately 3 by x minus x by x minus 1. 3 by x minus 3 by y equal to 1. Take common factor 3. It become 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1. Now 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. So that is answer. Now see, log 2 is rational or irrational. Justify. We know log 2 x 2 base a equal to x. Then on removing logarithm it becomes 10 power x equal to 2. So 2 cannot be written in the form of 10 power x because when it joins with 5, 2 5s are 10, then only it becomes 10. Otherwise it cannot be written in the form of 10 multiples. So 10 power x for any value of x, మరి రెండుని 10 power x రూపంలో రాయలేం. Therefore it is irrational. So log 2 is irrational. Next see another one. Log 100 is irrational or rational. Justify. Log 100 is irrational or rational. Justify. So log 100 base 10 equal to log 10 square. 100 becomes 10 square. Or remove logarithm, 10 power x equal to 100. 100 means 10 square. So x equal to 2. So 2 is a real number. So it is rational. It is integer or natural number. So it is rational number. So log 100 equal to 2 and this is rational. So that's the end of the chapter. Hope you enjoy and practice thoroughly this concepts.